Good morning, children. Welcome to Max online class. Watch the video carefully. Chapter 1, Rational Number. What do you mean by rational number? A rational number is of the form a by b, where b is not equal to 0. A is called numerator and b is called denominator. The denominator is not equal to 0. In your previous classes, you have studied about properties of rational number. Now we are going to see about product of reciprocal and the multiplicative inverse. First, what do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal means for a given number a, it can be written as 1 by a. Suppose we can take a number 7. What is the reciprocal of 7? 1 by 7. Next, you take any number 10. What is the reciprocal of 10? 1 by 10. So, the product of two rational number is 1, then one rational number is said to be the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of the other. So, a into 1 by a. See your video, a into 1 by a. So a into 1, a. So a by a and a cancelled, that is equal to 1. So a number and its reciprocal, the product of a number and its reciprocal is 1. Then the two numbers are said to be multiplicative inverse of each other. For a rational number a by b, what is the multiplicative inverse of a by b? Take reciprocal. So numerator becomes denominator and denominators becomes numerator. So a by b can be written as b by a. What is the multiplicative inverse? So a by b into b by a. B and b cancelled, a and a cancelled. So what is the answer? 1. So the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is always equal to 1. Next, division. For doing division, we have to take reciprocal of the given number and we have to multiply and we can cancel. That one we can see in problems. First, example 1.12. Divide 7 by minus 8 by minus 3 by 4. So, we can write it as first number 7 by minus 8 divided by minus 3 by 4. For doing division, simply we can take reciprocal and we can multiply. So, first one no change, minus 7 by 8. It can be written as in standard form. That one you already studied in your previous classes. So the division becomes multiplication, then we reciprocal it. So what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 4? It is nothing but 4 by minus 3. We are writing in standard form, that is minus 4 by 3. So what is the answer? Simplify. 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8. Minus into minus plus. So what is the answer? 7 by 6. Take your rough notebook. In that you can do this and all you have studied in your previous classes, I think so. Next example 1.13. Sum of two rational number is 4 by 5. One number is 2 by 15. Find the other. So let the number be x. We don't know the number. Sum of any two number is equal to 2 by 15. One number is given. We have to find the other number. So we don't know the number. That one we can take it as x. So what is given? One number is 2 by 15. So 2 by 15. We don't know the number. That one we can take it as x equal to what is the sum? 4 by 5. That one I have written. That is, it is given in your book. So x equal to, we have to find that number. So x equal to this 2 by 15 goes that side. That is, it goes to right hand side means plus 2 by 15 means we have to write minus 2 by 15. So 4 by 5 minus 2 by 15, that is equal to what is the LCM of 5 comma 15? That one you have to do it. Take your rough notebook, in that do the calculation. What is the LCM of 5 comma 15? LCM of 5 comma 15 is nothing but 15. So we have to make the denominator as a 15. So 5 into 3 15. So obviously 4 into 3 12. So 12 minus 2 by 10, that is 10 by 15. That one we can write in simplified form. So 10, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. That is the answer. So children, if you are getting confused means you take one notebook, in that you do the calculations, you will get the answer. Next, 1.14. The product of the two rational number minus 2 by 3. One number is 3 by 7. Find the other. So we don't know the number. That one x. What is the answer? Answer is minus 2 by 3. What is the one number? 3 by 7. We have to find the other number. So 3 by 7 into x equal to minus 2 by 3. Now, so what they are doing, multiplying by the reciprocal of 3 by 7. So that is, it can be cancelled this side. We can find x value. So what is the reciprocal of, that is left hand side, which is your left hand, that is left hand side, which is your right hand, that is right hand side. So 3 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? Reciprocals means that is nothing but inverse. So reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. So that one they wrote this side. So this side multiplication means that side also we have to do multiplication. So 7 by 3 into 3 by 7 equal to 7 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. 7 7 cancel, 3 3 cancel, this side only x. 7 2s are 7 into 2 14, plus into minus minus 14, 3 3s are 9. So that one, that is the answer. Now they're doing this side. 3 by 7 into x equal to minus 2 by 3. So bring x this side. So bring the number. We have to bring right hand side. So 3 by 7 can be written as 7 by 3. Minus 2 sevens are 14. Minus 14. 2 3 3s are 9. That is the answer. This is Aliter method. Another one method. Mostly we are following this Aliter method only. If you are getting confused means you do this method. This one, max, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So you have to do these sums in your rough notebook. Then only you can do the sums. Next example 1.15. One roll of ribbon is 18 4 by 3 meter long. Shankari has 4 full rolls and 1/3 of a roll. How many meters of the ribbon does Shankari have in total? So we have to do multiplication. 18 3 by 4 into 4 roll, 1 3 by roll. So 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 3. These two already we know very well. These two and all mixed fraction. Mixed fractions means we have to convert into improper fraction. Then we have to do the multiplication. So 18 into 4 plus 3. 18 into 4 72. 72 plus 3 75 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 3. 3 and 75 can be cancelled. 1 3s are 3. 25 into 375. So 25 into 13, 325. 325 by 4. So now do the division. Through 325 divided by 4. So what is the answer? 81 1 by 4 meter. Next, homework. Do these sums. Try these sums. Divide 5 by minus 7 by 3 minus 7 by 3 by 5. Thank you.